Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Kind of stuck it in there. This isn't a very big bag, so let's see what we got. This is from the GBFKE store. We have a diamond painting project and a pre-stamped cross stitch. So we'll start with the little project here and take a look. Now it does have the number on this sticker that's on the sticker, not sticker, on the bag. So this is going to be a butterfly. So let's see what this entails. Well, as we can see, if I can get it all out, this is real thick. Oh, and it does come with a little chain, but it's got the stuff on both sides. I thought maybe it lit up, but I guess not. But just absolutely beautiful. And I don't think there's going to be many colors. And it has this lovely little lobster. I don't know what it's called. Lobster catch? I don't know if that's the correct saying. But yeah, that way you can hang it onto something. I may use some other stuff. As you can see, it looks like it's about a 1/4 inch thick plexiglass. So it's real sturdy and stiff. Comes with a boat wax and a pen. Yay! And I can't tell from here how many colors. But it's just one of those little projects that I like to fit in, you know, in between everything else. Get it out of the bag. Put that over there. So it looks like we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 colors here. But as you can see, like I said, it does, I'm trying to get the light to shine the right way. Whoa, that's a little much. There we go. It has the product number here and the number that's going to match on here. And it goes 1 through 7, like the numbers 1 through 7. And then from 8 to 12, no, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah. From 8 to 12, it has letters. So let's take a look at them. Let me flip it over here so we can see. Ooh, look at those pink ones. Aren't those pretty? And some yellow buttons. And some iridescent ones. They're kind of a crystal with an iridescent glaze. Then we got some pink. Pink purple, like a pale red violet, if you will. Then you got some marquees. And they are going to look like this. They're going to be the gold instead of the clear because it's rounded. So, yeah. And then we have some little tiny teardrop golds and some gold, like rhinestones. You got some hot pink and some more purple. This is more purple where that one was more. Yep, that's it. It's got more of a pink to it. And we got some dark blue and some like rose gold pink, if you will. I don't know how else to explain it. And some silvers. So yeah, lovely colors. Let me fold this back up and put everything together. And then I'll tell you how much this was. Let me just lay it over there carefully. It was $3.59. So, and I'm sure that they have all different varieties in that type. I've just never seen it that thick. But that's cool, though. So you could hang it from a string, or if you had another chain that was longer, you could do that. Whatever you want. Cool. Like it. Okay, let's get on to the cross stitch. I'm just going to pull this out. We get past that point, right? Now, this one, I think that's the product number, that HHO. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little, like, they moved the sticker. HHO 728. I don't know, but we'll check when we get it out of there. And flip it over. There's no number on the front, as you can see. But yeah, it's a lovely vase of mixture of pansies and roses, and it looks like bluebells. And yeah, I don't know what those are. I'm sure everybody does, but not me. But just a lovely vase of flowers, mixed flowers. It's kind of wrinkly. Let's see, that 928. Right here, it has the product number. It is a 52 by 61, so it is fair size. It is an 11 count, and it comes with 25 colors. It does. This key will match the canvas, which is good. This would have to be blown up. It's on that shiny paper, but it all matches this. Doesn't look too bad. We'll have to get it out and look, but it does show the color of the thread, DMC number, the symbol, and the number on the thread card. But yeah, they could have made that a little bit bigger. Let's see what's in here. We have a big old hank of 38, it looks like 3860, I'm saying. Yeah, 3860. Yep. It's kind of a dark mocha brown, if you will. And it does have a 928 on it. That matches the number right here, 928. So you know that this card goes with this project. I was looking to see if there's anything else hanging fire before I shake it out. I've ended up with more skeins of yarn or thread on the ground. But let's take a look. So there's lots of thread here, lots of greens. You even have a burgundy and a dark blue. It's at 823. Nope, it's 939 right here. And this is 642. Huh. It's a lot of green. Where's that going? Maybe that's the background. Huh. We'll have to see. Because I don't see that color, but there's lots and lots of colors. You have some more over here, some pinks and blues, and even a, what is that color? Coral, like a dark or medium coral. You have some hot pink and even some reddish red. I don't see any 310 in there, or 22. Yep. This is 3371, which is a dark cocoa brown. So, yeah, I'm not sure where that's going to go. I guess like in your shadowing on that rose there. So, yeah, very beautiful. Just lovely. Nice soft threads. Okay, give me that puppy, just so we don't get him lost. And wrap it all up. Everybody knows where to go. There are 2 needles. Oops, I'm sorry, I lied. There are 3 needles right there. The edges are not serged. Trying to figure out which way to go. We got a renegade piece of plastic. Don't know where that came from. Oh yeah, this is not bad at all. It's got, oops, I'm sorry, didn't mean to hit that thing. I was trying to get it to lay down. Does have the product number, how big it is, and it's 181 by 220. So, very nice, big and wide. Just beautiful. They really kind of look like the late blooms of summer, you know, almost going to fall in their color scheme-ish thing. It's It's beautiful. But as you can see, there's like rivers of color here and there. So it's not real confettied at all. Now I can see everything. It's very nice and darkly printed. Very easy to see all the symbols. I'm just trying to lay it down because I'm going to measure it. It's kind of wide and kind of long. Kind of different. It is 62 in one direction and 52 in another. And it is actual size 31.5 or a little over 20.25 by, oh man, it is just, you could put this in a 16 by 20. It's like 16.25, but you could probably take a little bit off the edge and get it in a 16 by 20. That's the first time that's happened. So it is, what is that, 41.5 centimeters. So yeah, just beautiful. Just beautiful. It'd be a big girl to do because it's got a lot of big, I'll just set it down, but you can see there's great big huge swashes of color, and then you have, you know, your leaves and stuff, because the background's kind of mottled, if you will. I don't know how else to put that. And this right in here, this light pale blue you're seeing, that's all $9.39. So yeah, it'd take a hot moment. It would take a hot moment. Well, I thought that was a butterfly. It's a leaf down here. It looks like a butterfly. Like a butterfly, and it's like on this side, this is the front of it. And then the wings are like that, but it's actually a leaf. So yeah, just lovely, lovely kits. Now this kit was, where is it? Was $17.49. So, yeah. Now, GBFKE store has, usually has free shipping on orders over $55. They do diamond painting, cross stitch, and embroidery. Cross stitch in counted and pre-stamped. I can think what I wanted to say. They do have custom. I don't know if that comes in the diamond painting and cross stitch both, or sometimes it's just diamond painting, or sometimes it's just cross stitch. So you'd have to check that out. They do have crafts for both cross stitch and diamond painting. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section, but they do mark, like when you're looking through, you know, the 11 count or looking through the 14 count or whatever, it'll say Joy Sunday. So they do that. Let's see, what else? They sometimes have, I don't know if they still do, but all this little information, like when I say I don't know if they still do, I will check that out and I will write it in the description. They usually have like buy 3 get 1 free, and I will write that down if they still have that, or if they have any other specials, I'll put that in the description box. But isn't that lovely? It's huge. It's just, it's as big as my what do you call that one? Autumn house? That's what I call it, autumn house. That I started, what, a year and a half ago, maybe 2? I can't remember when I started it. I got it from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. I got the spring house and the autumn house. So, yeah, just lovely. There's a piece. Oh no, it's just a little dot. But yeah, very nicely printed. And this is real nice. It's not real, it's stiff, but it's not too terribly stiff, and it's not real thick is where I was going with that. All right, well, thank you, GBFKE store, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. We may start one at some point, but not today. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.